I don't think it is going to be possible in the next year or so. How are you ensuring that something gets delivered in 24 hours?
I have faced the same frustrations while ordering online. Hey, I am Rida from Sacred Heart School, the founder of Celerity. Celerity is a fashion tech company aiming to revolutionize the future of online fashion shopping. According to Fireworks, 84.41% of fashion shoppers abandon their carts. Why? Because fashion takes too long to arrive. First of all, Myntra takes a week. It doesn't give you confidence whether it would actually fit. Speed plus style, where our AI predicts what's hot before Insta knows, what's trending before Insta knows. We launch curated and wearable outfits that are at your doorstep in 24 hours. Celerity delivers outfits in a day. It custom makes outfit for you. It gives you AI which you can use to create your own AI twin where you can try the products on virtually.
How are you ensuring that something gets delivered in 24 hours?
In Chennai, in Royapeta, I'm getting the most orders from. Then there will be a warehouse in Royapeta. Now the product is already made. There is no production for that. Only thing is we need to deliver it. And delivering it within 24 hours is not a big thing.
You'll have to do the math. I feel like this is going to be an extremely expensive delivery then.
So you can try these products on your AI model, on your AI twin to know that it perfectly fits. You plus AI plus designer gets you an iconic product. Customers give their basic details on what they want, on how they want to customize something for themselves, personalize something for themselves. The AI generates a model on what they want, and after that, an expert designer refines the idea.
You're assuming that the AI will be able to do all of this. So I can tell you that today's technology, especially with the kind of inputs that you are getting from manufacturers and cloth brands, this is going to be a very, very steep task too. In fact, I don't think it is going to be possible in the next year or so till you're able to get accurate information. With that, it's possible, but it's hard to get it from even big brands.
Okay. 92 million tons of fashion waste hit the earth every year. We are aiming to reduce this. We don't opt for mass production. We opt for precision production, where the AI analyzes what's gonna trend. Now, no more second guessing, no more waiting, just effortless and instant style.
My plans are to pursue entrepreneurship.
Are you ready to shop the future of fashion? Are you ready to wear revolution? So this is Celerity.
Celerity, I aim to make it a global brand and to make sure that everyone gets what they want.